Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. So by default, Chrome blocks most pop-ups, but you can adjust settings to block them entirely or manage exceptions for specific sites. So first, let's change default pop-ups and redirect settings. So open Chrome on your computer, click on the three dots at the top right. Now scroll down and go to settings. Next, at the left side, go to privacy and security and go to the bottom and tap on site settings. Now scroll down and select pop-ups and redirects. So it's under the content section. So here you'll see pop-ups and redirects. Tap on that. Now in here, choose don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So just tap on that. Now for the next method, block pop-ups for a specific site. So open Chrome and go to settings. Once you're in settings, again go to privacy and security. Go to site settings. Scroll down to pop-ups and redirects. And here under allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects, find the site and click on more or the three dots, then select block to move it to the block list. If the site isn't listed, click the add button next to not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirects and enter the site address and click on the add button. Now for the next method is to block notifications if pop-ups persist. So open the site in Chrome where you still get unwanted messages. So click view site information at the top. So it's usually this icon right here at the top. So it looks like a lock icon next to the address bar. Now once you click the lock icon, tap on site settings and in here under permissions, look for notifications. Click the drop down arrow next to notifications and select block. And that's basically it. That's how you can block pop-ups in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.